Hey, what's up, fellas? My name is Ashmit from Techy Pizza. So today we are going to learn how to get rid of this dusty old Windows File Explorer and upgrade it to the official Windows File Explorer, which is based on UWP, and it is also known as Universal Windows File Explorer, like this. This is what it looks like. So without wasting any time, let's spread technology. So first of all, what we're gonna do is close all of this, and I have a piece of code written over here. I will be giving this out in the description below, so don't forget to check it out. So what you have to do is copy this all, and then you can close it, and then you have to go to the normal file explorer of your Windows. After you come here, you can just simply you have click on this address bar over here, and then you can just simply paste your line of code like this. After this has been done, you can simply just press enter, and then as you can see, this hidden file explorer has been booted up. So what you can do to permanently use this is that you can right click on the taskbar and you can choose pin to taskbar. So now when you close this, you can just simply open it up from here and it will start booting. This is a fairly simple way to do everything, and here you can see this is a very minimalistic design. Bit of a backstory here. This is not intended to be a Windows File Explorer. This was intended to be a Windows Phone File Explorer, and this was in the Windows operating system for phones. But it eventually made its way out to Xbox, and now it is on Windows, which is completely hidden. Now, a bit of a disclaimer here that it is not fully equipped with functions that you can see in the orthodox file explorer of Windows 10. There are some features missing in this File Explorer, but I'm sure they're working on it and we can just hope. So I hope you like this video. Please like this video and subscribe to Techy Pizza if you haven't. Click on the bell icon to receive notifications for such more videos like that. Comment down below, how did you like it? Did you find it amusing? Did you use this? And that is it for today, guys. This was Ashmit Singh from Techy Pizza, signing off.